Next, find the probability of getting 53 Fridays in a leap year. Okay. In a normal year, means not a leap year, how many Fridays or how many weeks are there? There are 52 weeks. So there are 52 Fridays. Okay. In a normal year. Now we want it in a leap year. What is a leap year? 1 day extra. Means what? February has 29 days. Okay. So in a leap year, total number of days 366. Okay. So 366 upon 7. We want weeks. So Friday, if you want a Friday, you want a week. Right. So 366 upon 7. So that is 364 plus 2 upon 7, because 364 is divisible by 7. So it becomes 52. 52 plus 2. 2 upon 7. So you call it 2 days. Right. So 52 weeks plus 2 days. Okay. Now 52 weeks means 52 Fridays. Right. Now only these 2 days which remain, that is the problem. We want 53 days, 53 Fridays. So one Friday we want extra. Now that one Friday we want it from the remaining 2 days. Right. These 2 days. Okay. Now it can be anyone. See here, 2 days are remaining. It can be, one can be Friday, other can be Saturday or Thursday, whatever it is. So what is the combination possible? D1, D2 will write it. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday over here. Now if D1 is Sunday, D2 will be Monday. D1 is Monday, D2 will be Tuesday, and so on, right? But we want Friday only. So where is Friday possible? Friday is possible over here. If D1 is Thursday, then it will be Friday. Or if D1 is Friday, then D2 will be Saturday. In both the cases, we get one Friday. Okay. So what is the probability of this? See, required equals to 2, right? And how many days? Total 7. So probability is 2 upon 7, required upon total. Only you focus on, means your problem gets filtered for only these 2 days, right? 2 upon 7. So answer is 2 upon 7. That is the final thing. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30,